kakauwi lang. 9:11 a.m. na.
Yeah.
You got your donut?
Yeah.
Hi, babe. Asan yung binili na dating donut? Did you eat it already?
Yeah.
Kakauwi lang namin.
You get the packet. You get
Got a
the packet. No,
packet. Wow.
Look what happened.
Uy, anong What happened?
Hey, look what's happened.
What you guys doing? Ah, that's your rabbit. That's cute.
Hey, I love that. Keep it. Let's play that over here. No, keep it. Let's go.
We get 6. I wanted a bit spicy.
Level 7. No, I have salad stuff. What's that? What's that, Kendall?
Free lion.
Si Lion?
I can do that. Free lion.
Dalawa. Ang kukulit.
I can do it. Wow, that's rabbit.
Parang di sila yan. Kakauwi lang namin mga madam. Diyos ko, 9:11 na. Galing kaming Anbaya. O di balik na kami nakauwi. Kung araw parang nasa biyahe lang kami kasi balikan kami. Pero ito yung in-order ko. Binigyan ng papa pinakari. Ang anghang. Yeah, tingnan mo na yun doon. You miss us? Did you miss us?
I'm not having any good.
Look at them.
You two.
Meron din silang nilutong daing dito at saka pansit. Sarap ng laing.
Be careful. Be careful, please.
Kaya nyo ha. The floor is lava. Vitamin Kendall and Brayden.
I love you, Daddy and Mommy. I love you, Mommy.
I love you.
I love you, Daddy and Mommy and Kendall.
I love you.
I love you. We're family today.
Her family today. Mommy and
We're family
Daddy
every
is...
day.
Mommy and Daddy were busy. What's the cure?